Audio Jungle.
Ashley Murphy, of Burnsville, North Carolina, says her 8-year-old son is already a budding marksman with 4 kills under his belt. The dental assistant, who is a recent hunting convert herself, says she is proud Bryson is not relying on computers and social media for entertainment. Despite her father and grandfather being keen on shooting, Ashley had no interest in it until she met Brandon, 33, who owns a hunting broker business. She said, "It's great father and son bonding time. The memories made out in the field are priceless. Hunting provides a great lesson in conservation and being self-sufficient." It teaches children what it takes to be a good steward of the land and how to respect what we have. Ashley now loves going hunting with her husband and learning more about wildlife. She said, "We met in high school and the very first night he called, he harvested a deer, so he told me I was good luck. When I learned how hunting was helping stop world hunger, because the food can be donated to people in need, and about all the organizations doing that, I couldn't help but get involved." Ashley fired a gun for the first time last month during the family trip to South Africa. The Murphys had tracked a black springbok for a day and a half, which managed to feed them and several villagers. Ashley loves outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing and shooting a bow, and has criticized men who think she can't complete a shot. At the start of each hunting trip, Bryson and his dad will discuss details and animals they will be seeking out. Ashley said. "We make sure Bryson is comfortable being around a firearm. Hunting has taught him so much about gun safety and knowledge and how to respect them." We then go over our plan of how to pursue the animals, talking about situational awareness and how to respect the wildlife. Brandon has wanted to go on trips with Bryson ever since he was born, and his son now feels comfortable in the woods and can recognize different animal cries. Ashley said, "It's not just about killing animals. It's so much more than that. It teaches you about animals, their habits and how nature weeds out the weak." Some hunters give the rest of us a bad name. There are those out there who will shoot anything that moves, but that isn't true hunting. We hunt for food and respect our land and animals. We understand hunting isn't for everyone, but we try to show that we are helping by sending kids to bed with full bellies and donating our harvests to others. All the stories Bryson has learned around the campfire have turned him into a well-rounded young man who is learning to respect nature and appreciate life.